and I'll say count of countries, country. So I'm going to be using distinct count. We only count unique country. I will say distinct counts sales based on country. I'll locate where country is, this country. So count only unique country, don't duplicate, just count. So once I do that, it will get me my unique country here, something around this place. You will see it now, countries. So my country is fetched. So I'll just come to card and click, drag this here and click countries. So there are 19 countries. Now, one thing you can also do, we want to get now please pay attention to what I want to do now. I want to get the total sales. The total sales. I'll come here and I'll click new measure, total sales. So I'll just click new measures and total sales. So I'll call it total total sales. Total sales. So I'll just say sum of all the sales data, that's sales. All right, just give me the sum of all the sales data. So sum of all the sales data, I should have it downward, total sales T, this is total sales. Now, so if I create another card, like I create another card, I can just click on total sales and there are 10 million total sales, like 10 million. So I want to do something else, So I want to get, for each of the countries, I want to get the total sales for each country. So I can create that in form of a table. I can just create a table now and just drag country, unique country. I can click this. So there are 19 countries. I can click this. So these are all the countries, all the countries and total sales. I'll go to total sales and click this too. So for each of the countries, you can find their total sales here. For each of the countries, you can find their total sales. So if you click this box, you will see something like a filter. Filter is if you want to just, maybe you want to check. The thing is, you can actually, this is arranged, like it's arranged alphabetically, so you can filter it. You can filter it by choosing the one you want. Let me say I want to just choose few countries. Let me say the question was, get us total sales for countries like Algeria, Japan, and USA. So get us country for Algeria, Japan, and USA. Just that three countries. So I can just come here and click on. Okay, let me use Australia instead. Australia, Japan. Locate where. There's no Japan here. Okay, let me use Spain and USA. So once I do that, we have it here. We can even change this thing to form of a chart. Just click this, and bim, we have this already. So we have USA, Spain, and Australia. So we can put their data numbers here, like just come to this place and locate where general is and add, no, I think visual, still on visual, then data labels on it. So once you on it, you see 3.6 million, 1.2 million, 0.6 million. So you could see the insight we are driving out from our data. When there are 19 countries, total sales of 10 million and 2,823 sales that was made, you understand? Then for three countries, USA, Spain, and Australia, we have total sales of the following. So with this, we have been able to make a uniform decision. We have been able to derive insight from this data. Now, There are many things you can do. I'm telling you the truth, so many things you can do. So many you can do. You can even ask AI. AI, can you tell me how many countries are in this my data set? So just double click. So once you double click, AI will pop up preparing question and answer. So just wait a bit. So let's ask our question. I want to ask how many countries, how many country, oh no, like how many distinct country we have. How many distinct, take note of what I'm asking. How many distinct country we have? Press OK. So the moment you press OK, you can see it's giving me 19. Asking AI is giving me 19 without even writing formula or whatever. So these are some of the things you can do. You can do. Okay, let me ask another question now. Can you tell me how total sales? Total sales. You can see 10 million total sales without even writing code. So if I say count sales. Now count sales is giving me 2. Okay, I think I know why it's giving me 2215. Let me go back. Count total sales. No, this is 10 million. Well, I know why it's giving me that. I know why it's giving me this. I know why it's giving me this actually. This is okay. I'm not supposed to count sales. Let me count count of order number. 307. No, this is not correct. Okay, I think I know what I will do. Let me go back to this place. Let me come back to the formula. Order number. Where is order number? This is order number. I'm sure this is correct anyways. Let me go back to order number. I used count order number bar. Let me click this. I want to end this class. I'm already tired. So let me go to, okay, count sales. This is count sales. So let me double click this. Let me change this count to unique distinct count. Let me see if it will be different. But this is supposed to be correct. Distinct count, and press OK. So even at distinct count, I'm still correct. So it is still correct. Oh, distinct count is giving me 307 count sales. Alright, so does it mean that there are 307 count sales? Now, this is sometimes you might encounter this kind of challenge, this kind of errors. Now, I use count. The difference between count and distinct count. Now, distinct count removes duplicates. Counts would count even if they are duplicates. So I think what we did here was that the first one counted all the sales together, including duplicates. Then why the second one only counted unique order numbers? That was why it's giving me 7. So let me come back and ask AI. Just count sales. 1000. I will just say count unique sales, unique just a moment. How should I even ask? There's a way you need to ask this equation that it will give you accurate. Now can you see? You know, I'm trying to tell you guys something. Now look at the first, this I said count of sales data samples is giving me 2823, which was the initial value I had. Now, okay, distinct counts, distinct counts of sample sales. Okay, this is supposed to be distinct counts. Distinct counts. No, this is not correct. Distinct, it should be correct. Distinct count. So distinct count of